Okay, it's Thursday morning. We got a ton of rain coming here in a little bit, so I figure I better go where I can get some trains. So I came to Hamilton. It's like we got flood watches out for this afternoon, so I better get them this morning because it's going to get nasty after a while. Well, that don't sound exactly, that horn sounds clogged up. Couple of clean tank cars. They were built in January of this year. It's an old boxcar, an old Southern. Well, we got a long train here. A bunch of trash wagons. Kind of surprised we haven't seen a DPU. It's funny, these cars are all going south. Wouldn't surprise me in a later date if you don't see them all coming back north on the Connorsville local. Because they are loaded. They'll probably end up on the Connorsville train. They'll come right back up through Hamilton here, but they'll go up the Indy sub. Wish I would have had my radio on me. I'd like to know how many axles this train had. See the end of it coming now, but this was long. Yep. Heading down to Newcastle. Going on the NS tracks. All right, well, that's one. Hope we get about 4 or 5 more. We got rain coming for the next 10 days here. And it's like, I cannot remember a summer we've had this much rain in recent memory, and I'll be 65 in October, so yeah, this is definitely unusual for us this time of year. Normally we're in drought time, but that happens. All right, hang around. Be some more, I'm sure. Okay, we got the local coming back. See the headlight. I don't see him. Oh yeah, now I do. Just running long hood forward. No caboose today. Okay, all right. Well, we'll see what else shakes out here. Starting to cloud up. Probably haven't got a lot of time, so hopefully they send a few in a hurry. All right, folks, I decided to drive up here to Somerville, see if anything was going on, because Hamilton just died, and with the rain coming, I wanted to get some trains. So yeah, you can see I'm up here at the cemetery again, right next to the Norfolk Southern Newcastle district, and we got a train coming. This will be a mixed manifest, and it does have a DPU on the back. Depending on how fast he's going, I'll see if I can beat him to Camden. Maybe get the other side of the train up there. We'll find out. They were working on the tracks earlier. Ballast regulator and a track leveler tamper thing went down and got off the main. So he's probably, they may have a slow order out here. I don't think they do, though. They had a green signal up for him. And there he goes. Yeah, we have 3 on the front and 1 on the back. Kind of hoping if I go up to Camden, there'll be one sitting there waiting on this one to pass. All right, I should be able to beat him to Camden, so I'm going to take off and we'll see what we get up there. 50 miles an hour. Well, as you probably guessed, I didn't beat him to Camden. He dropped the hammer on it as soon as he got out of Somerville, so that's the best I could do. All right, I came back down to Somerville. Since I couldn't beat that train to Camden, I made a valid attempt at pacing, trying to drive and hold the camera. So if you liked it, okay, but it probably don't look like much. We got another mixed manifest coming here. Saw it on the Glendale camera almost an hour ago. And it's got a DPU on this one too. Still must have the slow order on. Boy, as soon as he got out of town, he dropped the hammer on it. I couldn't catch him. He was there's some loads of Coke. Old Chicago Northwestern cars. Potassium hydroxide solution in those tank cars. Chlorine in those too, yeah. Don't want any leaks of that stuff. That's nasty. That'll kill you. Saw a big old puff of smoke come out of that DPU. They must be turning up the wick a little bit and going to get her rolling. 1001. All right, I think I'm going to head back down to Hamilton, and that's going to do it for this part. If I get enough in Hamilton to make another video, you'll see it. But you can tell by the skies, it looks like it's getting ready to rain here, and I'm thinking I got a better shot at Hamilton and getting a few more trains, so I'm going to head back down that direction. Thanks for watching, everybody. I sure appreciate it. If you don't mind, hit that like button. And if you're new here and you like what you see, I'd appreciate it if you feel like doing it, hitting that subscribe button and helping me out. The more subscribers I can get, the better chance I got with the YouTube algorithm and growing this channel, because YouTube apparently has got a war with us small channels. So any help, I'd be very appreciative. But we'll catch you on the next one, folks. I'm going to head down to Hamilton, but I do believe I see some rain up that way, so better get moving. Y'all have a great day.